Welcome back to Freshers Know channel. Today's video is going to be about Accenture Recruitment 2021, and if you want to read the details on your own, you can check the link which is placed in the description box. Alternatively, you can also head over to our website Freshers Know. Freshers Know website is going to give you the information, the details of the role or the job, plus you can apply to the job directly. All of the links will be placed at one place in one page itself in Freshers Know website. So that is going to be very accessible and also very quick to use. So don't forget to check out Freshers Know website. And for regular job updates, consider yourself joining us through Telegram. Telegram channel name Freshers Know, and the link is placed in the description box for you to join us directly. So do consider checking out the description box and join us soon. Accenture has opened its vacancy for a new associate. We are going to now look into all of the eligibility criteria section through the official website. So as you can see here, the skills that are required is HR operations, learning delivery operations. The designation or the job role which is available is a new associate. Location of job is going to be in Bangalore, and any graduate can apply for this job with no experience also. Even if you have 0 or 1 year of experience, you can start applying. And the next section which is given here is about Accenture, what it is about, what is Accenture operations about. So it is a business environment with having growth and building up the right set of values, giving you the right amount of networks and opportunities for developing your career path in a professionalized manner. The key is a new operating model one, and it is anchored with and around customers propelled intelligence to deliver all of the exceptional experiences on a very high scale. You would be delivering a breakthrough with the business accounts by your intelligence and also the talent, revolutionizing all of the operating models. So this is what it is going to be about, the role of the operation section in Accenture. So what you would be doing as an individual, if you are hired, you would be aligned to the human resource vertical, and you would be helping with various other functionalities and dealing with people related areas, and also such as recruiting, learning, training, onboarding, compensation, management, organization development, and the culture itself. And also you would be working as a part of the HR operations. You would be responsible for providing back-end HR services to the business operations and HR operations to the operational HR services, which includes administrative services, job analysis, and employee relationship management. And in this delivering of the operations, you would be making sure that you are successful in learning the solutions and reviewing the effectiveness and the applicability of that particular solution in the first place. So this is what you would be actually doing if you are getting into this job. Now, what they are looking in for: the ability to perform under pressure, knowing a strong client relationship, ability to handle disputes, manage multiple stakeholders, meet all the deadlines. And the responsibilities are as follows: you would be required to solve routine problems largely through referral guidelines, interaction with your team and supervisor, giving detailed instructions and how the tasks need to be carried out, and then well versed with the basic statistics, the terms which are involved while discussing with stakeholders, working closely with project members and effectively delivering them requirements, individual contributors to the work, and then you have to be working up with rotational shifts. And here they have given the contact where you can contact them for any of the queries. If you are willing to apply, you can just click here and then put in all your details and then apply. If you don't have an account, you can just sign up. If you don't have an account in Accenture, you can sign up, and that would be redirecting you to this particular page where it will be asking your email. Give a valid email because verification code will be sent to the email. So don't forget to check it out, and put your first name, last name, and then your country, and then you can continue. Please give a valid email address, so don't forget to know that verification code will be sent to your email. So that is how you do it. And if you have any other queries, place them in the comment section. Subscribe, and thank you for watching.